How to fit a concept toilet seat. So first of all, we must fit the gaskets. Plus we have two types of pan with two types of hole. So hole A is where it's a blind hole, so you need to use the expandable bush. So first and foremost, you put the bolt through, and then the one without the nut first, then the expandable bush, and then the one with the nut, and just hand tight. So then that could be then placed into the hole. If it's hole B, where you can just see 10mm of VC, you need to use the toggle fixing, which is just a top fix straight down. This then will go underneath the hole and tighten up, but you need to ensure that this lozenge is fully in and not trapped in the VC. So going on to fitting on the seat. As you can see, this is B, so we need to fit the metal fixings. So just push up and then push it through the VC. Then just get a screwdriver, lift it up, ensuring that it's not trapped against the VC. And then all we're going to do is do it just tight so we can still manoeuvre it, so we can line the seat up. Same at this side. So then we put your seat on, and then ensuring there is no gaps here. So then we can line the seat up as we like, put the lid down, and then just tighten the screws up as tight as you can. And then to lock it in place, we need to then use a 10mm spanner or a 10mm socket. If you would like a torque setting, it is 6 Newton meters. So we're just locking this in place. And then just put the cover caps on. Fit your toilet seat, ensuring we've got no gaps and it still lines up. 2.5mm Allen key, just to lock those in position. Thank you.